Problem 4 says Franklin Park wants to install new bird feeders. They say the table, equation, and the graph show the cost of 3 different brands of bird feed based on the number of bags. We're also told that each bag has the same amount of bird feed for all brands, so we can assume they're all giving us the same amount of bird feed in each bag. It says order each of the brands from greatest to least cost for one bag. So this is really about unit rate. Cost per bag, or Y's per X, is really about slope or unit rate. We see the graph is proportional. We see the equation is proportional because it's in the Y equals K times X form. And as we're going to show, the table is also a proportional relationship. We keep getting the same ratio of Y divided by X once we do that out. So if each of these 3 relationships is proportional, all we need to do is find the unit rate or the slope for each one to see who's the cheapest per bag. We're going to start with the relationship A, that was the table. If we do $49.50 divided by 6 bags, it's one of the data points there, we get out to $8.25 for every one bag. As we said earlier, this is a proportional relationship. If we had used any other data point from that first table, relationship A, like $24.75 divided by 3, we'd keep getting the same unit rate or the same ratio whenever we do Y divided by X for a single point. So if we go with company A, it's $8.25 for every one bag. If we go with company C, on the graph there for company C, we'll show you quickly, we saw that when we were at 2 bags, right here, when we were at 2 bags, it cost $15. So that's where this data point comes from. It's a proportional relationship starting at the origin, going in a straight line. So if we do $15 divided by 2 bags, we realize for company C, it's $7.50 for every one bag. So that's going to be cheaper than company A. And then as we look for company B, because it's written in that Y equals K times X form, we know K is our slope, our unit rate. So that's $7.79 or $7.79 for every one bag. So our unit rate there, $7.79 for every one bag. $8.25 we see, this is the most expensive, up over $8 for company A. That's going to be the greatest. The least is going to be company C. So believe it or not, this goes right in order of A is the biggest, then B, then C. So when you filled this table out, or when you filled this drag and drop item out, all you had to do was put them right in order of A, B, C, because we saw that A is the greatest. That should be on the left. Company B at $7.79, that's right in the middle. And then company C, the cheapest at $7.50 for every one bag. That goes right here at the end.